Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. So, what do you do as a homeowner if you have a small tree need to be removed, or maybe even something just trimmed off? Do you go out and buy a chainsaw? Well, maybe not necessarily. There's another tool that's really great for this, especially for cutting the tree out. Okay, and it's the Sawzall. Some people call it the reciprocating saw. Okay, so you can take the blades right into the dirt, and it's not going to mess things up, unlike a chainsaw. And they're actually pretty safe to use. So let's just check this out. Okay, now as you can see, that cut it down like right under the ground level. It is gone. And that way we didn't have to try to pull it up, dig it up with the landscape fabric and stuff that was there. That is just clean as can be. So that was a quick, easy video, but I hope this gives you guys some inspiration on how to do some yard cleanup with some tools that are pretty safe to use and are great for other projects as well. Please take time to subscribe to the channel, give this thing a thumbs up, share the video. Check out, we got so many hundreds more videos out there. You guys have a good one.